To connect printer into the Google Pixel 11 Pro, you will have to start by opening Settings. Now go to the Connected Devices and select Connection Preferences. Now you will have to go for the printing, and you've got like two options. So now you have to just go into your printer and enable some kind of the pairing mode and check if the default print service actually is able to recognize your printer. If your printer appears here for like 30 seconds or 1 minute, it means that you can tap on it and simply get a stable connection. But if the default one is not working, it means that you have to add a service for your printer. Here you can find only 5 recommended one, but when you go for the search, let's say that I want to get the HP print service. I'm inputting AP phrase, and now I'm searching for printer. Oh, it's not actually the HP. Yeah, this is the HP print service plugin. So I have to get this one. And after the installation will be complete, it will actually work the same like this default one. So you will have to go here into this list, tap on this printer, on this print service, set it up, and simply enter for the pairing mode on your printer one more time.